Here are 10 easy beginner guitar riffs, ranked roughly in order of difficulty. They're perfect for beginners new to guitar, those looking to learn some songs quickly, or those looking to improve their technique. The first riff is Seven Nation Army. This riff can be played entirely on one string, the A string. Smoke on the Water is a classic guitar riff, and it will teach you how to play a partial bar chord. That's where you play more than one string with one finger. If this is too tricky for the moment, you can still play the riff just using two different fingers. Breaking the Law by Judas Priest is another classic guitar riff. It's easy to play, although this time we will be picking across two different strings. Theme by the Blues Brothers is an ideal riff to improve your left hand technique. Try to use one finger per fret if you can, like I am here. Come As You Are is a classic Nirvana riff, and it's easy to play. Just be aware that the original version is played in D standard and not standard tuning. Sunshine of Your Love by Cream is another classic guitar riff, only this time we are going to be playing across multiple guitar strings. Satisfaction by the Rolling Stones may look easy to play in principle because it's all played on one guitar string. However, the pull-offs can be tricky for those new to guitar. Do stick with it though, because the pull-offs are essential for your guitar development. Times Like These by the Foo Fighters is one of my personal favourite riffs to play. It's actually played in 7/4 time, but it's much easier than it sounds. It's quite repetitive too, so stick with it and you'll get it. With Crazy Train, we have a little bit of a step up in difficulty here. We're still playing across two strings, but the picking speed is fairly quick. Day Tripper by the Beatles is probably the trickiest riff on the list. There's quite a lot of technique involved. We have some string skipping with the right hand picking, and we also have a little rolling technique with the left hand where we roll the finger from one string to the next so we can make a pitch on two strings using the same finger independently. Enjoy jamming along and learning all 10 of these riffs. You can grab a free PDF of all of the tabs for these riffs on my website. Just check the link in the description. Thanks for watching, happy practicing, and take care.